I have this experience to, perform in front of you and perform with the one and only Mr. Ryan Kayapkap. Ang OA niyo guys, Pasko ngayon, hindi tayo magiging masaya. Ay, hindi tayo magiging malungkot. Mali, sorry. But again, thank you so much po sa lahat na bumubuo ng Pinoy Playlist Music Festival 2024. And also I would like to thank BGC Arts Foundation Inc. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng tao na nandito na nagbibigay ng time, ng effort, kahit whole day na po kayo nakatayo dyan, kahit hindi nyo kakilala yung katabi nyo, pwede pakitapik yung katabi nyo at sabihin nyo, thank you so much, usog ka ng konti. Huwag po tayo magtutulakan, let's enjoy the night. And for sure, happy kayo, di ba? Parang hina, happy ba kayo? Yan ang gusto ko. So dahil happy kayo, next song na tayo. For my next song, isa to sa song na kasama sa aking EP. And if you want to sing along with me, if you want to dance, pwede po. Wala pong sisita sa inyo, okay rin. Basta wala pong magtutulakan, okay? So for my next song, this is Classic. If you want to dance with me, let it go. Whisper conversations late at night underneath the covers in my mind, wishing you could be here by my side. You'll be so right, you'll be so right. White jeans and sneakers, always cool, only perfect features and attitude. Every time I see you, it's deja vu, 'cause I keep on falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a isipan ko kapag kasama ka. It's so damn fine, I keep falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic, baby. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle on the magic, making you feel some type of way. You never say it. Wow! Napakaraming tao. Are you guys enjoying tonight? Yes! Alam niyo, first time ko mag-perform sa BGC alone, and seeing you guys here tonight, talagang nakakataba po ng puso kasi I can feel the support, I can feel your love, I can feel yung humidity ng country natin. It feels so amazing na, alam ko nung mainit sa Pinas pero ganito yung suot ko, pero syempre kailangan tiis tayo. But again, thank you so much everyone for coming tonight. I really appreciate this, seeing you here tonight sa BGC, and I also want to thank all the artists na nakasama natin sa stage na to na nag-perform at sinelebrate ang ating passion for music. Napakaswerte ko kasi tinutungan din to ng mga musicians natin na talagang masasabi natin lodi talaga. But other than that, I would like to thank Korean Cultural Center percussionist from Groove End with UP Tugma and Padayon Rondalia. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Manila Philharmonic Orchestra, thank you so much. And AMP Nonet, maraming salamat po for sharing your wonderful talent tonight. And ano pa nga bang gagawin natin? Siyempre, kailangan